Hello everyone, this is Funi. Welcome our autumn decor ribbon collection. Let's dive into warm, inviting vibes of season with our maple leaf design. These ribbons celebrate the iconic fall foliage with rich hues and dark yellow, orange, green, perfect for decorating. And next, our maple leaf falling for fall ribbon brings the season of renewal to life. To indicate leaf patterns and autumn colors truly capture the beauty of nature transition, making your craft and decor stand out. And moving on to our Autumn Pumpkin Festive collection, this ribbon features a delightful combination of pumpkin and sunflowers, evoking the spirit of harvest. Whether you are wrapping gifts or adding a festive touch to your fall decor, these designs are perfect for celebrating. And don't miss our words design ribbon, adding both text and beautiful word design. These ribbons offer a simple yet impactful way decor for fall. They are perfect for words, centerpieces, and seasonal display. Finally, we have tiny fall design ribbon featuring adorable small-scale patterns like pumpkin, squirrel, autumn leaves. These fun designs are perfect for adding a playful touch to any project or DIY craft. Bring the essence of autumn to your home.